Mr. Speaker, sir.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Uba Presiden Tensong haka Arbitratorik Nailar Ulaong. Baka Sorkar Jela kadang bishar bnia haka bayde bat kejing terwa ban penka district Hemai bat ya ke Mausenram Civil Subdivision ha East Khasi Hills District. Haba jubab ya kejing keli hapok ke ying darbar tau an Uba Presiden Tensong Ulaong. Baka Sorkar kadang bishar bnia ru halor kejing terwa ban tau ya ki Community and Rural Development CNRD Block. Kajing temu ke Bokong San Jong ke Sorkar ke Long Ban Penka District Hemai Civil Subdivision bat CNRD Block Ulaong. Habara ya kini keman UMLA ke TMC nanong Hemai Uba Charles Pengruk ula banjur halor ke Jingdon Kam ya ke Sorkar bahkan perkat na ke Bentaban Tauno ya ke District ke Hemai hapo East Khasi Hills kabalalong ke Wena ke District ke Bahek Tam ha ke Jela. Kat ba UMLA ke UDP na Mausenram Uba Olen Singh Sun Hakawe pat kaliang Ulaong baka Mausenram kala Don Hok Banyo ya ka Civil Subdivision na marka Jingdon Briu kala Kambun Sha habayan ujor bat kapun Ursula bat Ranikor bat ki babun kishnong ki dei ki badon hakijaka balong riat ki basem jing e. Kumta dei tang ka Civil Subdivision ka bala ban penyajan ha ka sensyar khadar sya upat ba ula benrap. Usembut Menteri Rangba hawa jubab ya kene Ulaong baka jing terwa ban kentiu kerdan ya ka Mausenram sya ka Civil Subdivision kadai ke badang syong bishar bnia da ke Sorkar. Hadin baladek ban bishar bnia ngan sala ban penpau syau dekot ke ying dorbar bat ki paj ba nong syong shnong ke Mausenram Ulaong.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 31. A and B, sir, the matter is the examination. Mr. Swing.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for the Minister to have replied my question. But the question was, I'm very happy, but the question was not to the satisfaction. So before I ask another question, may I make one or two sentence statements, sir? You see, Mausenram Senior Block is a multi-community inhabitants, speaking different language, having different faith and religions. And even though we coexist as brothers and sisters in such a diversity of culture, belief, and so on. So it is we are living in unity, though in diversity. Second, sir, as we know, Mausenram, within Mausenram block itself, we have the altitude of 550 meters up to 1,700 meters. In between this altitude, we have three climatic regions: the temperate region, the subtropical region, and the tropical regions bordering Bangladesh. Population are living in temperate region, living in plateau, living in difficult terrain, living in low flat areas, in border areas. They are facing very much difficulty. The distance from the headquarters is more than 100 kilometers up to the extreme border. We have also the population size bigger than Ranikor Civil Subdivision, bigger than Peninsula Civil Subdivision. We have also the village, higher number of village than Ranikor Civil Subdivision, than Peninsula Civil Subdivision. Except the size of the area, Ranikor is higher than us. The rest, all the tabis, we are in higher than those civil subdivision. So, sir, and besides our people or villages situated in the difficult terrain, it's very difficult for the digital system of governments to reach to our people. It is only the civil subdivision that can bring closer administration to our people. So if these facts and data, sir, to buttress support of my statement, if the department required, yes, I can support any time. So based on this statement, sir, may I know from the minister in charge to pass a remark, comment, and give a statement whether these data are fit to grant civil solution for Mausenram Senior Block, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the concern of the Honorable MLA from Mausenram, Basun, and the justification he placed before the Advance House It's so convincing, no doubt of it, sir. Very, very convincing. Yes, sir. In fact, as I've already replied, matter is under examination. We know not only Mausaram alone, we do have quite a number of more places which needs the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mausaram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in the position to tell the honorable members and also the people of Mausaram area as a whole, sir.
So thank you, sir. I have nothing to say but only to request the ruling dispensation to kindly consider our lots, because I'm the voice of the people of my constituency. So when I speak, I'm speaking on their behalf. I'm their voice. So I request the ruling dispensation to kindly be pathetic to grant us a civil solution, because it is all the data are fit to be granted Mausaram Sinadi block as a civil solution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, but Charles, please.
So I also, as a voice of the people of the state, I had put this question before in the last session also, if I recollect. If my recollection is me. East Khasi Hills is one of the biggest districts in the entire state. And I don't have any data, but I know it is the biggest. Will the government consider creating another district within the East Khasi Hills, as the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has rightly said, to bring governance close to the people, in Sora, and upgrading it into a district headquarters? This question was raised by me before. Will the government consider that now, since they're taking up the matter of Mausaram also?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, sir, as I've already replied again, be it creation of Sinadi block, be it creation of civil subdivision, or even district, government is always thinking of the main intention of the government is to bring down the administration, the government, towards the nearest location of the people. That is our intention. So yes, as already mentioned by the honourable member, by Charles Pongrop, we are examining both, not only civil subdivision, but district as well as creation of CNRD blocks.